Hello, trading is closed on October 1st, 2018. I really have had no time at all to look at the market today, busy in the office all day long. Let's just show you what I have. We looked for a gap outside of Friday's range, which we got. Looked for a pattern with an early high, which we got. We get to cross this number off the list. During the day, MEJT said ultimately higher and lower prices would print. Both of them did. We usually get more upside than this, but we don't have to. Here we gave a buy signal. That's higher, but not high enough, and there's a target of 2930.62, most likely to print tomorrow. I think it might fail. We have a pattern which almost always closes at the day's high. If it doesn't, it's trouble, unless we gap up and promptly take out this high. It's always possible, but after gapping up, taking out a lot of highs, we couldn't hold on to any of these prior highs. This rally was also because of a news event about the NAFTA replacement. Typically, those get reversed promptly. So we have a higher target. Unless we gap up and take out this high, I think lower prices should print nonetheless. And when we have conflicting signals like this, the commonest thing is a gap and a prompt move outside the day's range, meaning we could undercut this low at the open. Even though it's the pattern with the early high, it doesn't mean we're not going to gap down first. So the commonest thing would be to gap and promptly move outside the range. Next most common is to close a little change, have the big move Wednesday. And least common, by a large margin, is that neither one of those things happen. Right now, futures are down. And I think if we gap down sharply, the standard rule says that's taken off the table. It doesn't mean it won't print, just means we're not predicting it will in its preferred time frame. And that's today's call.